Hey guys, I know it's been a couple days since I've messaged y'all or posted a video. The dogs had a couple rough days. Uh, just wanted to update that Morgan had gone up to get the cold medicine and Walmart was all out. So we just been doing the honey water and everything. Um, right now on video is Budro. Trying to catch him in one of his fits. He has been particularly bad with the coughing fits, and at first we were able to get him to spit it up and we were able to clean it up, but now, excuse me, see this? Now he coughs it up into his mouth and he quickly swallows it, so I haven't had a chance to get it. And then he has fits like this. Poor little guy is just, you know, he's not having a good time with this. Miss Stella is back here, and she's been doing okay. She still has a little bit of coughing. Hasn't had any super big episodes, but she still is having episodes. As for Miss Leah, who is hiding under the blanket here, she loves to be under the covers. She's a cover baby. Lily, say hello. Poor Bud. He's just, I feel so bad. Cough it up, baby. Yeah, see how he doesn't cough it up? He swallows it. Poor little guy here. He's really rough. And then, like I was saying, Leah, she only has had a couple of coughing episodes, but nothing like the other two. She is, I believe, almost in the clear. She is very concerned, though, about Bud and Stella. You know, those are her mama and daddy for all intensive purposes. So she's very concerned about them and the coughing fits that they have. Poor little Bud here. If y'all have any suggestions how to help get him to actually cough it up and not keep swallowing it, I welcome it, please. Because he's definitely swallowing it. I'm going to give him, he's on day 4 of this. Stella's on day 6. Leah is on day 9. Bud, though, I'm going to give him 1 or 2 more days, and then I think I'm going to bring him into the vet if he doesn't appear to be getting any better, and get him tested to find out if there is an infection going on with this virus, which can happen with kennel cough. So if you notice that your babies aren't getting better or they seem worse or whatever, know that it can have an infection come along with it, and in that case they would need antibiotics. So trust your gut. Your baby's not doing good, call your vet. That's what the plan is here. We were going to call the vet the other day, but they were doing really good, so we didn't call. But then Bud, starting last night, started re-hacking again real heavily, like you saw in the video earlier. And he's having a hard time. So I'm going to give him maybe a day, maybe 2 days, and then I'm going to call the vet if he doesn't appear to be getting any better. The dogs have been doing good with keeping themselves hydrated. They're still eating their food, which is all great signs. You know, he has his episodes mostly when he is active, walking around, running, whatever. Sometimes he does wake up in the middle of the night with it. And I've found just, petting him and calming him down helps him through it. So, yeah. But that's pretty much all the updates I have for you today. I did turn on my comments on all the videos, so please, this is video, I think, 6 or 5. Nope, it's 6. So please go watch the other videos. Feel free to comment, question, whatever you'd like to do. We will get back to you as soon as we can. Come here, baby. He's going to find a comfy spot on the pillows and blankets in the bed. But yeah, feel free to comment, question, whatever, and when we get a chance, we will respond. We promise. Right now, our main concern is just making sure the pups get through all this, and we will update as often as we can. Until then, Bud, Ahleah, and Miss Stella, who's sleeping, I'll send their licks and snuggles, and we will talk at you guys later. Thank you. Hey, Bud, wave bye. Actually, he's trying to get me to pet him some more, but at least it looked like he was waving bye. All right, bye, guys.